Hi students, in this lecture I will provide introduction to information theory and coding. Information theory is a theoretical part of communication developed by American mathematician Dr. Shannon. It deals with mathematical modeling of communication system rather than dealing with physical sources like camera, keyboard, microphone, etc. and physical channels. So why mathematical modeling? If you understand, a lot of mathematics are involved in manufacturing of things that we use in daily life, like pen, paper, memory, mobiles, computers, antenna design, etc. involve. The manufacturing of these items involve a lot of mathematics. So studying mathematical modeling of communication system is the meaning of that. Information theory answers below fundamental questions of communication theory: data compression, data transmission, data storage, error detection and correction, ultimate data rate or bit rate, or a noisy communication channel for reliable communications. If you see data compression provides a practical means for efficient storage and transmission of data. Here data can be either voice, audio, video, text, images, etc. Now we try to understand what is the meaning of information in a communication system. Every morning we read a newspaper. A message is set to convey information if two key components are present in it. One is change in knowledge or meaning. Change in knowledge or meaning. Second, uncertainty or unpredictability. We should understand that amount of information contained in a message is interrelated to probability of occurrence of that message. So information and probability of occurrence of that message are related. Information is always about something. It may be true or lie. Suppose see the following messages. The sun rises in the east. Gopal will get Nobel Prize in Physics. Scattered rain. Cyclone storm. Son is born to his wife who is mother of two daughters. COVID-19 pandemic disease. By intuition, these 6 messages carry different information. So these messages are events. If you see, these messages are events, some are rare to happen, some are frequently they happen frequently. Suppose the event sun rises in the east, it happens every day, so it is not a rare event, frequent event. A scattered rain, cyclone storm, these are also rare events because they are not happen frequently. Scattered rain is a rare event, so it will have lot of information. In previous slide, we have seen that the amount of information and the probability of occurrence of that message are interrelated. If the probability of occurrence of the event is high, then the information in that message will be low. Suppose see this event, sun rises in the east, the probability will be 1. So the information content in this message will be 0. COVID-19 pandemic disease. It is a rare event. The probability of occurrence of this event will be very low. So it will have lot of information. So finally, understand the amount of information in a message and the probability of occurrence of that message are inversely proportional. So understand that message with lower probability contains higher amount of information and vice versa. Frequent events have less information, rarest events have more information. Uncertainty. Note that greater the uncertainty. Uncertainty means less number of chances to happen. If uncertainty is more, the amount of information will be more. Certain events, that means the number of chances of occurring will be more chances of occurring. Certain events, also known as sure events, carry least information. Uncertain events or uncertain messages carry least information. So in previous slide we have seen different messages in the table, and they will have different probability of occurrence, and hence they contain different value of information. So the amount of information is inversely proportional to the probability of occurrence of that event or message. So information theory of communication system talks about how to measure amount of information in a given message, how to measure correctness of the information in a given message, what to do if information gets corrupted by errors, how much memory does it require to store the information, because data transmission and data storage suffer from errors created by the noise. So information theory basically talks about the amount of information and the compression. We have already seen the data compression, error control coding, error correction coding, and these are the things that information theory will answer. If you want PDF files of my video lectures or video on any particular topics, please send me email to rkgopal2020@gmail.com.